Magandang araw, classmates! I am Reverend Martia D. Flassan. My first name starts with capital R-E-V-E-R-I-E. I am 6 years old and I am the second child. My mother's name is Rhea Cara D. Flassan and my father's name is Mark Anthony Flassan. And my brother's name is Ramses Marco D. Flassan. I can sing with my mouth. I can dance with my whole body. I can model with my legs and my feet. I am grateful to God because He loves me and my beautiful family. I am a Filipina. Let's be friends. I'm looking forward to knowing you too. Maraming salamat po.